Welcome to Bay-Lynx UK, where we've been the leaders in the British volumetric industry for over a decade. Our facility is home to all things volumetric, whether you need new or used equipment, parts and service or technical support. Our team has got you covered. Come meet our team.
At Bay-Lynx, we want you to have all the tools in the box to make your concrete business a success. Our sales team will not only sell you the best equipment in the country, but with our information and resources, we want you to succeed. With admixtures, materials, mix designs, technical specification and regulations, we are here to help.
Bay-Lynx has a full-service fabrication department. Whether it's design, plasma cutting, forming or welding, we've got the skills and expertise to make an idea come to life.
Here at Bay-Lynx, our workshop is always open. Whether it's installing a new mixer to a new chassis, carrying out refurbishment repairs to your old mixer, or general service work and maintenance, our team has got you covered.
Purchasing a new mixer is only your first step in your Bay-Lynx journey. Our service and support centre are always here to make sure you have the resources you need to keep pouring concrete. Our part shelves are stocked and our engineers are mobile, ready to keep your mixers running.
At Bay-Lynx, we not only provide industry-leading equipment, but industry-leading support. Come on down to our shop and see why hundreds of businesses like yours have chosen Bay-Lynx.